Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to upload drawings or even documents to your Procore quickly and easily. So here you need to start by logging into your Procore account and select the project where you want to upload files. So here, drag and drop your PDF drawing file. Name the drawing step and then set the date, and you can click the process to let Procore scan sheet numbers. So for general documents, guys, like manuals or permits, you can go to the Documents tool, choose your folder and upload the files. And wait for the upload to finish and double check that your files show up correctly. And that's it, guys. That's how you upload drawings or documents in Procore. Like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And if you have any questions, don't be shy to drop them in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Bye!